back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm gonna be doing a mukbang, and this is like how I pronounce it. Some people say mukbang, but I think mukbang is the right way to say it. But anyway, I'm gonna do a mukbang which is totally different from my usual videos, but I thought it was entertaining. And basically today's video is gonna develop into a sort of chit chat or like coffee talk, story time, whatever you wanna say that. But since I have some food right here which I made, I'm super proud of because it's kind of healthier than a fast food and it also was cheaper, so you know, what can I say? I love making my own food. Let me know if you will be interested in seeing like any sort of like cooking related videos because I would love to make that. But yeah, anyway, I'm just random. So for today's video, I'm gonna be eating this wonderful burger that I made with some chips, and I'm also gonna talk you guys about my music, specifically my struggles. So the fact that I'm literally scared to death to go ahead on a stage and sing in front of other people. So yeah, if you're interested, just keep on watching. Oh my god, I'm so excited to actually start to eat because I'm starving. Not bad. Like, these were sort of like already made fries from like Iceland, and they come in a super weird package, but they're not bad. I feel like I just need some sea salt. But I'm just like too lazy to take it, so they're really good. So this is already gonna be so hard because I don't think that I can actually talk and eat at the same time. That's gonna be a really hard thing just like focus on. If you guys follow me for a while, you would know that A, I moved to London recently, and B, I did it because I'm a student of my Black music school, and I was always into music. I wrote my first song when I was 12, and more recently I realized that I want to make it my career. Like, that's what I like to do. I can't, like, I just can't live without writing music, or like without writing lyrics, without putting my thoughts on a piece of paper, basically. So basically I already write my own songs, and I do say that I'm a songwriter and a singer. The problem is I'm literally scared to sing in front of other people when I know them. And this is gonna sound super weird, and I'm actually gonna bite like my burger and then talk about this topic because I'm actually really angry. This is a good burger. Oh my god. And some people like go to like shops like McDonald or Chick-fil-A, whatever, and just like buy a bunch of things and then do a mukbang, but I just wanted to make a difference, so that's probably also one of the reasons why I made my own food instead of buying it. It's so good. So yeah, I am scared to go on a stage and sing in front of a lot of people, or even like a group of small people. I was literally scared to death when I had to sing in front of my classmates. And the thing is, I know that I'm a good singer. I am confident enough to say that I'm a good singer, and well, the reason why I'm scared, well, I don't even know actually the reason why I'm scared, but the point is, I could, and I'm saying this because it's something that I actually do, I can just go in the street and start to sing and like, you know, make actually eye contact with people when you just walk through, and I really don't care what they think. I can just go ahead, go in the street and start to sing a song because it's actually what I do, and I actually don't care what people think, and I'm not scared doing that. I can go to the park, take my guitar along, and just start to sing, start to play, and I don't care what people think. But then when it comes to a stage or even like a registration studio, that's when I break out. And it's kind of weird to think about because this is actually what I want to do as my career, and I do say that I want to be the next Taylor Swift. So how can I be the next Taylor Swift if I'm literally scared to sing in front of 8 people when she songs in front of like thousands and millions of people? I mean, it just doesn't make sense, and I literally don't know what's wrong with me. This is literally the reason why I moved to London. This is literally what I want to do in my life, and so what I'm scared of, no clue. God. So that's pretty much like where I'm at right now. I'm super happy with the fact that I moved to London. I love living by my own. Like, I actually like making my own food, cleaning my own room. It's like growing up in that sense, and I like it. And I do wrote quite a few songs to let me hear because, well, I just can't stop writing songs, and I don't necessarily, like, I don't need to be anywhere to write a song. I just need to make connection with people, and then I can just write about them, or even like, you know, write about sort of fantasy or anything like that. I had no problem about like writing a piece of music as part of the lyrics. When it comes to like the actually sound part of it, so like the track, the bass, or whatever you want to call that, it's another story. And I mean, I tried to, but like I can't. Well, maybe at the end of the course I will be able to do something, but by now I'm really not good at Logic. In my defense, this like literally we've been using Logic for how much, like 3 weeks or so, and it's kind of a complex program. And I mean, for me, I can read a bass with my guitar, but I can kind of translate what I'm thinking in Logic, which is kind of weird. And talking about my guitar, recently I realized, my teacher told me that my song was kind of totally wrong. Well, not totally wrong, like she said lots of good things about my songs, like the meaningful of the lyrics and stuff. By the way, I'm talking about my song Talk to You, so if you want to check it out, I'll make sure to leave it down below, as well as in the eye. But as for like the guitar part to it, my tempo was now like 4/4, which makes sense. I never studied guitar, and like I was just improvising basically, so it makes sense that it's not perfect. I am working on that, and I actually think that I made some progress. Also, as an assignment for like the singing class, we have to do a showcase singing like 3 songs. And yeah, well, I'm thinking about maybe posting then the video on my YouTube channel, so let me know if you guys will be interested in that. But I feel like this video is probably gonna be like all over the place. I've never filmed like a video like this, so I don't know A, what to do, B, I feel weird in like eating and talking at the same time, so I'm trying like to eat and then talk, but that's probably not what like a mukbang is supposed to be like. But that's my mukbang, so you know, I just do it however I feel like doing it. You guys, this is literally the dumbest thing ever. You need to try it. You definitely need to try it. So I feel like I am probably gonna wrap up this video right here. Maybe I didn't say like all the things that I wanted to say about like this music type of thing, but at the same time I feel like I said that already. But it's really hard on focusing like on 2 things, like trying to get my point across and at the same time eating this thing, which is delicious, and I really can't wait to finish it all. So if you guys want me to go like more in deep on like my music experience or any of that, just tell me that in the comments, because I can totally do that. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it, or if you like mukbangs, or I don't know, just give it video a thumbs up if you feel like it. Other than that, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!